Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of cleaning motivation, y'all, in my kitchen. I have to sanitize, and I also need to wash dishes and just put dishes away. Another thing I want to show you guys in this video is some updates that we have made to our mobile home. You guys already know that we're just trying to make this home feel more homey for us and just put some of the touches in this home that we love, as well as just putting things in here that we need, if that makes sense, you guys. So if you guys are new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. So I can actually clean behind my microwave, y'all. Clean the stove, and I just have to clean over here. Everything is literally gone. Okay, so yeah, it's gone.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave.
This is why I hate these countertops, because they stain so freaking easily. See that stain over there, right here. So what I'm gonna do is just take some bleach and sit up there and let it, you know, come out. But am I the only one that always have to clean the back of my wall, y'all? Like, how does food get all the way back there? I can understand my stove. I always clean that one, but come on now. This side over here, Jesus. Comment below if you always have to clean your back wall.
Leave me empty, baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you guys are getting some type of motivation out of my video, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys got some type of motivation.
Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Maybe I need some space.
are you putting your dishes on the tower, y'all? But I did this because we're getting a new dish rack, and some of these dishes obviously goes inside of the cabinet, but you know, yeah, we're gonna do a new dish rack. So yeah, you guys. So right now I'm cleaning the oven out, y'all. This oven has so much gunk, y'all. And I'm using this little steel wood scrubber. And I also put some oven cleaner up here, you guys, and let it sit for 30 minutes because there's just so much stuff up here. But now I'm just wiping it off. Or at least scrubbing it off. Scrubbing what's left that's stuck. If that makes sense, you guys. But yeah, y'all. This is what I'm doing. But I just wanted to come and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, y'all, so at this point I was just so done. I was just happy to have it a little clean, y'all. Some of these little smarts and stuff just did not come off even when I scrubbed, so I was just like, forget it. So I'm done. Alright, guys, so right now I just wanted to show you guys some of the updates that we made in our home. This right here is our chandelier in the kitchen. This one is our chandelier in the dining room, you guys. If you remember, we had a fan in here. But I love this so much. I love how the lights shine on the ceiling. So nice, y'all. And another thing we added to the kitchen, you guys, is a island. If you know, then you know we needed one. We added this light fixture as well. And my drying rack, y'all, is the bomb. I prefer to have that than to have my old dish rack. Okay, guys, so right now I just wanted to give you guys an update on me and baby number 9, y'all. So right now I've just been really nauseous, really sick, y'all, and just tired. I don't know, for some reason I've been really getting a lot of night sickness, but we wanted to go and see baby, so we're definitely really early, but we just wanted to see baby to be able to show you guys baby as well. So yes, y'all, this is our little peanut. This baby, y'all, was so active. If you actually pay attention to the video, you will see the little movements that it does, y'all. And honestly, I felt every bit of the movements. Also, I'm pretty sure you guys want to know how many weeks I am, y'all. I am going to be 10 weeks this Thursday. So yes, this Thursday I will be 10 weeks. Also, you guys, the baby heart rate was so strong, and I was so happy just to know that the baby had a strong heart rate, y'all. It was at 170 beats per minute. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video sometime soon where I just tell you guys my signs and symptoms, because it was really different. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.